Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Paulo Navarro. Today is Wednesday, August 21st, 2013. For the volatility index, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX, we have a bearish reading on September, October, and December with 67, 28, and 1% of the total premiums paid respectively. A bullish reading in January with only 1% of the total premiums paid, and a bearish dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX overall. Let's go to the charts here. We have the daily chart for SPX. As you can see here, we were down almost 10 points, 9.5, and we have a big reversal here. We dropped after the Fed announcement, FOMC minutes came out. We dropped, made a new low intraday, and then we started rallying, made a new high, almost went outside bar here for SPX, and then we failed to stay above those levels and finished there almost at the lows of the day. Pretty bearish action here. I am not bullish anymore here. We failed at the 50-day moving average a couple of times here, and the reaction today that we couldn't hold the highs was pretty telling here. That looks like we're going lower from here. Going to the Qs, here we have the daily chart for the Qs. As you can see here, down 1/3%, and you can see here big volume bar, outside bar, reversal to the upside, and then we were actually finishing down. So we reversed higher and then reversed lower. Interesting move here. I am not as bearish on the Qs as I am on the SPX, but again, I am bearish here on the market short term. IWM 101 right now, trading 0.6% down for the day, still holding the 50-day moving average. Interesting move here. Higher than average volume, as you could see there. Not much going on here. I believe we're coming to test this previous high of 100.38, so 100.4, next downside target for IWM. You could see on the after hours we're down a bit there also. For SPY, we're down there also. After hours, futures down. And same for the Qs. Now let's go to the metals. Gold today down 1/3%. Not much going on. Trading at 132.07. Holding on here, could not break the 100-day moving average. And after hours, now we're going lower. You can see there down 70.70. Big volume today, but not much going on here, pretty flat. I would get interested if we start breaking the 130. I would get bearish if we break the 130 level to the downside. Most likely that's going to happen tomorrow. For silver, pretty much the same chart, down 1/4%, and down after hours here. We're holding. I would not touch silver here. I would prefer to short gold. Stocks. Apple up 1/4% on a down market, still holding up here pretty nicely around the 500 level. I'm bullish on Apple, as you know. I'm looking for 520 before September 10. I believe it's coming here on the next push higher. I would be a buyer of Apple around the 500 and 495 level. That could be a very nice entry point. If you want to stop there, you could also place this previous low of 489 as your stop if you're just entering the trade. So you're risking about $6 on the downside to win about 23 on the upside. So pretty nice risk to reward there. Google. Here we have the chart, up almost 0.5%, doing nicely here. Looks like the 50-day moving average is going to be our next target. We talked about that on a last couple of sessions, 890. Netflix down 1%, 270. I'm still bullish on Netflix. We did fail here at the breakout, but I'm still bullish here looking for 300. Last chart we're going to look at is Visa. You could see it here up 3% today. Very nice here bounce of this 150-day moving average, consolidating here, big volume also. So we're going to have to wait and see what happens with Visa. We were bearish on Visa, looking for a test of this 200-day. We're going to have to wait and see tomorrow how it reacts.